What are some of the kind of steps that you take when you're working with a customer to try and get to that brand strategy and identity?
Well, what happens is we end up sitting down with the key decision makers in the business. That typically involves the founder. If it's a nonprofit and they have a board of directors, it might be a little bit different. But ideally, it would be the founder and any decision makers for the brand will be in the room. Usually, the C suite, which is the CFO, the CMO, the CEO, and we would talk about why is this business even in existence? Why does it matter to people? Who are you serving? Who was it created for? Who are those people? And we uncover things about the business and the story, the DNA of why this business exists. And we go way as far back as we possibly can. Sometimes it goes back to the founder's childhood and something that happened to them, or an event that happens that triggers this feeling of purpose, that they want to do something in the world. They want to change the world in a certain way. And we go back to that origin story and we talk about that. So we uncover all the things that make that business and what's unique about it. And then we go over all the things that are unique about the ideal customer, or we call it the super fan. So that one person, if you could just attract this one type of person, usually it's the mindset that this person has. If you attract them, that would be your ideal person that you would love all of your customers to be. And then we play matchmaker, where we try to make the brand attractive and bring all those qualities the ideal customer would love about them to the surface, and then bridge the gap between the two. So I like Yo Santosa. She's a brand identity designer here in LA, and she talks about branding being like matchmaking, that you're really creating this emotional connection between a business and their customers.